Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaners, specifically focusing on the best cleaner for bamboo hardwood floors available in the market. Introducing Sheiner's Hardwood Floor Cleaner, a powerful solution designed to tackle the toughest dirt while being gentle on your delicate bamboo hardwood floors. What sets Sheiner's apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, its versatile formula is scientifically formulated not only for bamboo hardwood floors, but also for other surfaces such as cork, marble, ceramic tile, and more. This means you can use it throughout your home with confidence. But it's not just about versatility. Sheiner's goes beyond cleaning. Its unique formula doubles as a wood polish, rejuvenating the natural shine of your floors without leaving any sticky residue behind. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the quality, appearance, and smell of this cleaning agent. Plus, its streak-free finish ensures your floors look immaculate every time. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust and dirt or tackling tougher stains, Sheiner's Hardwood Floor Cleaner is up to the task. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best cleaner for bamboo hardwood floors, look no further than Sheiner's. With its powerful cleaning abilities, versatile formula, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's sure to become your new go-to floor cleaner. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make your life easier. Until next time, happy cleaning. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest household products. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaners, and I have to say, I've stumbled upon a real gem. If you're like me and treasure your bamboo hardwood floors, then you're in for a treat. Introducing Sheiner's Hardwood Floor Cleaner, the ultimate solution for maintaining the pristine beauty of your bamboo hardwood floors. With its powerful cleaning formula and natural ingredients, Sheiner's stands out as the best cleaner for bamboo hardwood floors available in the market. Let's talk about why Sheiner's is a cut above the rest. First off, its powerful cleaning solution is tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle on delicate bamboo hardwood finishes. And here's the best part: no rinsing is required. Simply spray, wipe, and admire the results. But wait, there's more. Sheiner's isn't just limited to bamboo hardwood floors. It's scientifically formulated to work wonders on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, cork, marble, ceramic tile, and more. Talk about versatility. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to household cleaners. That's why Sheiner's is proud to be non-toxic, non-corrosive, and free of bleach or chlorine. You can breathe easily knowing it's safe for your loved ones, including kids and pets. Now, let's talk results. Sheiner's doesn't just clean, it revitalizes. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless floors and hello to a lustrous shine that lasts. Plus, its fresh citrus scent leaves your home smelling clean and inviting. It's like a breath of fresh air for my bamboo hardwood floors. I can't imagine using anything else. So there you have it, folks. If you want to keep your bamboo hardwood floors looking their best, look no further than Sheiner's Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Trust me, your floors will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like Sheiner's. Until next time, happy cleaning.